Seitan is a plant-based protein that's meaty, satisfying, and packs over 20 grams per serving. You can make delicious patties for your burgers or crispy grilled chicken. Making it at home is simple. Start with 1 cup of wheat gluten flour. Add 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for a softer texture and savory flavor. Then 1 teaspoon of each of onion and garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Using a spoon or whisk, mix everything well so the spices are evenly distributed and you don't get any clumps. Next, we need 3/4 of a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Pour it in. Stir with a spoon, and once most of the liquid is absorbed, begin kneading with clean hands, just for a couple of minutes until the dough comes together and the bowl is nearly clean. The texture will look a bit brainy. That's perfect. Cover it with a towel and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes to let the gluten develop. After resting, the dough will be noticeably more elastic. Divide and shape it however you like. I'm making 2 smaller patties to use for burgers. Just roll and squeeze the dough until you're happy with the form. For the second half, I'm making braided chicken strands. Flatten the dough into a rectangle, cut a couple of strips, and braid them. Once you reach the end, fold the braid in half and press it gently together. Now to cook them, I'm going to boil mine in 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Once the water reaches a gentle simmer, add your seitan pieces. Avoid a rolling boil. It can make them puff up too much. After 20 minutes, flip them and simmer for another 20 minutes. Your homemade seitan is ready. It should feel springy inside. If it's still soft, give it a bit more time. For the braided piece, gently pull apart the strands to get those curvy, fibrous chunks. If you are not using it right away, store it in a container with a cooking broth to keep it moist. You can enjoy seitan as is, but to boost the flavor of the patties, I dry sear them on both sides. Then I add a splash of water with smoked paprika and cumin. They get a nice brown crust and extra depth of flavor. Now you're ready to build your burger with your favorite toppings. And dig in. So delicious and filling. To make crispy grilled chicken, rub your favorite spices and herbs into the braided pieces. Bake in the oven and serve with your favorite sides. Bon appetit!